Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to point out a sector that we have been talking about at StockMarketMentor.com for a while, and that is biotech. As you know, biotech, for the most part, not impacted by raising interest rates. And we've seen some really nice names in biotech take off. Ones that we have been trading at Stock Market Mentor, like CPRX. This one had a really nice move just above that 50-day moving average. We also had VRNA, which is a stock that was on Dan's active trade list. I mean, this was huge. Almost 70% off of these moving averages. Even if you only got half of that, that's still a pretty decent move. And so biotech has been a sector that we've been watching. And today, near the close, I did take a small starter position in biotech. And I'll tell you why. Because as you can see, for the last couple of months here, XBI has been just kind of consolidating around these moving averages, chopping up and down, but we're getting progressively higher lows. And we're also getting progressively lower highs. And so you can see this tightening pattern. And the fact that we're right near these moving averages gives you a natural floor to define your risk off of. And so a few of us took some small positions here in XBI, and we're looking for this. And I'll probably add to my position if it does do that. But if it does this, that's okay. I'll get stopped out, and I'll get stopped out small, because I'm just kind of having a feeler position right now, waiting for this to really break out and show me which direction it's going to go in. And in this market, I've had much better luck starting a position close to the major moving averages and then adding on the extension as opposed to buying the breakout and then ultimately getting shaken out. So, quick chart here. I hope that is helpful. I also want to take this opportunity to wish you the best for the Christmas season and hope you have a happy new year. If you're looking for friends to trade with, give us a click. StockMarketMentor.com. I'll see you next time.